Hi. Yeah. So what up? Oh, what? Oh,
We changed a little bit while you've been gone.
Yeah, she's got a big mouth. I got big everything. Look at my nose. I'm blurring my nostrils. Oh, I got the big nose like old people.
You might not recognize us when we come, or when you come home. Like Roman over here.
Roman, he is actually half Asian.
He looks like a flying squirrel or something.
He looks like actually he's poisoned by Asians. That's why he's half Asian. He's got the swine flu because Asians live in Mexico now. And, well, this one in the middle actually got the swine flu. So, Roman...
Look, Reese, move your head. I got a big growth in my face. I think it's cancerous.
I look weird.
Stop! You're falling. So yes,
Melissa, she's taking your girl from you.
we look a little weird,
Steven is her Busch Gardens crush.
and he knows that, and so does she.
Steven,
Oh, okay.
The guy that she's talking to.
is he ugly?
No.
I
No,
look
he's
so
not.
weird.
No.
Okay, we're gonna end this one now, and I'm gonna send it to you right now. So, yeah. Toodles.